Next, I will show you how to connect the RS485 control circuits to a camera. As previously mentioned, a USB cable has been routed from this point outward. Now connect the remaining end to the computer. First, go to Manage and select Device Manager. Then, define the port category. Here is the USB interface from the RS485 module. Connect it to computer. Upon connection, a new COM port will be assigned and displayed in the list. The device is detected as COM4. We will need to remember this part number for configuration. In case the COM port is not recognized due to a missing driver, please refer back to the folder I included. Now install the FG232RL driver. Now that the COM port is active, reopen OpenPnP. In the software, go to Machine Setup, then to Drivers, and select Trigger Driver AF Feeder. Set the COM port to COM4, then click Apply. We need to close the software. Any COM port configuration requires a software restart for the changes to be properly detected by the system. Now we'll perform the homing sequence. And now we will mount a feeder at this location number 1. In the feeder section, choose the feeder as position 1. I have reconfigured several relative positions within this feeder tab. Users must recalibrate the feeder's precise location before operation. I've reset the position here, so I just click this button to move the machine to the AF feeder. Next, we press Test Fit to see it in action. You can see the machine working and the gears moving in sync. As a result, the feeder control box is now successfully detected by the system. Repeat the same process to configure the coordinates and parameters for the remaining location. You can review these procedures in our earlier video tutorials, or find them directly on the OpenPnP website. To shut down the system, press this power icon and exit the application. The system automatically generates backup files, which can be found in the Backups folder. Backups are organized by timestamp. If an error occurs at 3:47 p.m., you can revert to a functional state by accessing the 3:28 p.m. backup folder. Simply copy the files from that specific timestamp and overwrite the ones in your OpenPnP folder to restore your previous configuration.